Hi there. Welcome back to our channel. Today's session is on DevOps. Fundamental Practice Questions. Please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the like button. And don't forget to share this video because we need your support to grow our channel. Let's get started with what is DevOps. DevOps is a philosophy, one that prioritizes people over process and process over tooling. DevOps builds a culture of trust, collaboration, and continuous improvement. As a culture, it views the development process in a holistic way, taking into account everyone involved: developers, testers, operations folks, security, and infrastructure engineers. Under a DevOps model, development and operations teams are no longer siloed. Sometimes, these two teams are merged into a single team where the engineers work across the entire application lifecycle, from development and test to deployment to operations, and develop a range of skills not limited to a single function. Now, let's get started with top DevOps fundamental practice questions. Which DevOps principle focuses on product and service thinking? Customer-centric action. Continuous improvement. Create with the end in mind. Automate everything you can. The correct answer is create with the end in mind. What is not an appropriate predictors of IT performance in a DevOps environment? Changes approved by an external team members. High-trust organizational culture. Proactive monitoring. Version control of all artifacts. The correct answer is version control of all artifacts. What type of tasks are characterized by low task variability and high tasks analyzability? Routine. Craft. Engineering. Non-routine. The correct answer is routine. What is not an aspect related to governing work in an organization? Scrum of scrums. Feature switches. Scrum board. Test automation. The correct answer is test automation. Which phrase fits best as a characteristic of a DevOps team, considering that the team is part of an anti-fragile organization? Employee first. Honor web-inspired value. Minimum viable bureaucracy. Self-management. The correct answer is self-management. Which DevOps principle appreciates measuring processes, people, and tools? Continuous improvement. Create with the end in mind. Cross-functional autonomous teams. People responsibility. The correct answer is continuous improvement. Which role should ensure that user stories adhere to the definition of ready? Multidisciplinary team. Product owner. Scrum Master. Service Manager. The correct answer is Product Owner. Which model is used by Desired State Configuration, DSC, for specifying the configuration of systems? Declarative. Imperative. Procedural. Sequential. The correct answer is declarative. What does resilience means with reference to IT architecture? Preparing systems changed requirements. Preparing systems for security threats. Preparing systems for upgrades in technology. Preparing systems for unexpected events. The correct answer is preparing systems for unexpected events. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share your feedback and hit like button. Please do visit our channel for more such tutorial videos on COBOL, CICS, JCL, vSAM, IBM Mainframe, and Microsoft Azure.